CTE works for me.
What excites me about Project Lead the Way is the real-world opportunities that we get.
Definitely the opportunities.
You learn something you never thought you would.
We learn a lot of things, mostly about engineering and different principles of engineering.
We learn how to really think like engineers.
Things like simple machines, compound machines, how to go through the engineering design process, the steps of the engineering design process.
We use CAD, we use Multisim, we code.
We learn how to solve problems, diagnose issues, how to create circuits.
They're actually putting us in the engineering world and showing us exactly what to expect.
This program gave me a sense of direction to take. It gave me a choice that even though I'm good at one thing, I can explore other things.
We learn a lot about teamwork. Teamwork is very important, especially because all of the projects that we've worked on previously are team projects.
I've solved many issues, even in my own house, things not working. I've learned about this in class, like with thermodynamics, maybe the fridge isn't working, I just go ahead and solve it myself.
They give us networking opportunities. They take us to conventions and they take us to colleges and show us their engineering departments.
When I was in junior year, we went to Bowie State to take this Women in IT class, and I got a certification from it. And then also junior year, I did fire protection engineering for UMD.
It's a very vigorous program. It's not easy, and that's a good thing because it prepares you for those real-world challenges.
A good candidate for this program is somebody who is interested in STEM, science, math, engineering.
The real person for this program is the one who keeps pushing forward, the one who keeps moving forward, the one who doesn't give up.
If you're someone considering this program, I say just go headfirst into it. It's a perfect opportunity for you to grow and for you to learn.
I say go for it because you never know what some of your interests could be.
I'm not the same person that I was when I first joined this program. It set me up for my future. CTE works for me.